There's a range of what Black looks like.
It's important to be original, to be you.
Black is not just a color.
Black is powerful.
Black is beautiful.
I should accept that I'm beautiful because I was a masterpiece. That's how I was created.
Celebrating you, celebrating me,
Celebrating us.
As a U.S. history teacher and global issues teacher, the best thing that I get to do is be with kids all day long, and I want all of my students to feel represented in our curriculum. And unfortunately, throughout the history of America, there have been marginalized groups that haven't been given the same sort of coverage, so to speak, in history classes as they should have received. And so I think it's almost embarrassing that we have to have a Black History Month separate from anything else, because it should be a part, all of us in America, we're a multicultural country, all of our cultures and all of our history should be celebrated as one American history. But until that happens, we need to single out certain months of the year to make sure that we celebrate all of the achievements of amazing Black Americans that have shaped our country and continue to do so.
What Black History Month means to me is celebrating Black excellence.
To celebrate what our ancestors fought for.
Black History Month means celebrating my heritage.
Being proud of our own skin.
I celebrate Black History Month because it's important for me to learn about my family's heritage.
I don't celebrate it in the month, I celebrate it all year long.
Believe it or not, I graduated from high school in 1977, and in 1976, President Ford changed the national holiday of 1 week of Black History Week to a 1 month of Black History Month. And I thought, as a junior in high school, what does that mean? Why are we celebrating Black History Month? And from that point on, I have learned a little bit, but really in the last 5 years, I've really focused on what Black History Month means and how much Black history I missed through my my years in high school and college. And every day I try to read something new about Black history. If you don't know about Rosa Parks, you should really look into who Rosa Parks really was and what she represented. And it's very interesting, but I never learned that. I never learned that in my history classes. And I think that we forget, or we aren't taught about Black history or Native American history or Japanese American history. There's so many things that we see one-sided and not from multiple perspectives. So if nothing else, during Black History Month, I would love for you to look through a different lens at Black history and find out something new, learn something new.
I think it's important to celebrate Black history because Black history is American history, and it's important to talk about everybody's contributions to building this country.
The reason why I celebrate Black History Month is to think about all of our forefathers that have put in a lot of time in our country to change the demographics that we live in, and also the opportunities and spaces that we currently reside in.
Black History Month is important for recognizing our past to the current of all the things that African Americans have gone through to get to where they are today, and to build hope for the future, and to build acknowledgement for the present, so that everybody can understand that they matter in society as who they are, their own culture, their own identity, but also how we blend together and how we are cohesive and create unity amongst each other in all cultures, in all nationalities. The most important thing to me is taking that as an example and seeing where things are today and building on that so that we can create a better society for all and value each other for who we are.
I celebrate Black History Month because I feel like it is important to celebrate the contributions of Black people in today's society, especially when colorblindness seems to be thought of as the cure to racism. Who I am, my color, and what I represent is very important to me, and I feel like it is important to celebrate that.